Hi, and welcome to another Job Pro Technology tutorial. Today we will be reviewing the Create Work Order feature within your jobs. This feature allows you to move items from an existing work order on a job to a new work order. Creating this new work order allows you to schedule unfinished work for a later date or remove items that may no longer need to be installed. Let's get started. To begin, you will need to navigate to the Job Processing tab of the job you are working on. Here you will find the Create Work Order button. Once you've clicked this button, a pop-up window will appear. At the top of this pop-up window, you will find the work order name, which automatically applies the WO-1 tag to this name. But this can be changed to whatever you need as long as it is a unique name within your system. You can also change the job type and add a job description. Below this section is where you will choose which items will be moved to the new work order. Here you will see the item name and details along with the quantity of that item that is available to move. There are a couple of different options for how you can move these items. First, you can choose to move an item by a specific quantity. Simply enter that quantity you'd like to move in the Quantity to Move column. Next, you can choose to move an item by a certain percentage. Enter that percentage in the Percent to Move column, and the system will calculate the quantity of that item. You can also easily move the entire item by clicking the 100% button on the right. The last option you have is to click the Move Remainder button. This will move all remaining quantities of each item on this list. Once you have entered the amounts you'd like to move, select the Create Work Order button. This will take you to the new work order page. From here you have the same options as you do with the first work order. You can add crews and schedule the job, print your work order, add the actual material entries, and even create another work order if necessary. If you are creating a new work order in order to fully remove billable items from your job, simply click the Delete Job button located at the top of the page. This will open a pop-up window that gives you two options. You can either return these items to the base work order or remove the items from the job. Click Remove Items from Job and then click OK. This will effectively delete this work order and remove all of the included items from the job completely. That's going to wrap up our tutorial on creating work orders. If you're a Job Pro customer and have any other questions about creating work orders, call us at 704-584-4019 or send an email to support@jobprotech.com. If you're not a Job Pro customer but want more information on how to become a part of the Job Pro community, call us at 704-584-4015 or send an email to info@jobprotech.com. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Stay tuned for more of Job Pro's tutorial videos in the future.